I'll do like a little.
Okay, if you pinch my eye, I'm gonna freak out. You know how I blend?
How do you blend? Hello everyone! I'm here today with my sister. This is Lauren. You guys may have seen her before. She's been on my RachhLoves Life channel. But today we decided that I'm going to be doing my face with all of just Lauren's makeup and brushes. That's it. And then Lauren has this.
Oh my.
So what I told Lauren is just pack up makeup that you would wear to like a wedding. Like something that's like a little something extra, you know, just like a little guac, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. This is in Lauren's bag right here.
Bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. And like a lot of this stuff, I feel like I've probably given to you.
Oh yeah,
over the
like
years.
almost all of it. Full disclosure, I wouldn't use this sponge. I don't actually know when it was cleaned last, and I don't trust it. We should probably just throw it out.
So we have a primer. So this is the
I
CoverGirl.
never use that. Like I've used it before, but I never use it on like a day-to-day basis. But like, yeah, it's in there.
It's in there.
Just because it lives in there. Until you pulled it out, I forgot it was in there.
It's CoverGirl's All Day Primer. Apparently Lauren doesn't like it. And then for foundation today, we have the Revlon Youth Effects Porcelain. This is the Fill and Blur foundation. The two concealers you have, these are by ColourPop. These ones I definitely gave to you.
Yes, they're very good. I like them a lot.
Yeah, they're good, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We have the Essence All About Matte. This is the fixing powder. Whoa, what happened here?
That tape's been on there for like years. Like this bronzer's like several years old.
This is old school. This is collector's edition, everyone.
Yeah.
Blush. This is the Halo Longwear Blush in Blissful. I don't even know if they still make this. Oh, which of these palettes do you wear? This is by Clarins.
I kind of only use the brightest one.
And then we got two palettes. This looks like Vizart. Did you get this from me?
Yep.
Oh. You can tell like all the little like bumps where your faves are.
I'm afraid of the gray one.
This is the Matte and Metal eyeshadow palette. And I'm assuming
usually the pink and the purple.
So we got a little angle brush. We have a big fluffy brush.
There should be an eyeshadow brush in there.
There is an eyeshadow brush. Yeah, we have this one. Face Up eyeliner. We have an eyebrow gel. Do you actually use this one?
I have used it before. Yes, I found the color was better for me before my hair was red. And then the mascara is Arbonne.
Arbonne. Okay. You have more makeup than I thought you did.
Yeah,
that's impressive. Now you can open this up. You probably want to lay it out, but first, before you go into it, you have to apply a mask. And I put that out separate because I knew Lauren wouldn't find it. And it is by Glam Glow. This is the Insta-Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. Blend it.
Oh my.
Does it feel bubbly yet?
Yeah, it's bubbling for sure.
So for those of you that don't know, Lauren is my little sister. Lauren is 2.5 years younger than me. She is married and has a little baby girl named Harley. Harley and Luke were born in the same year, but Luke was born in January and Harley was born in November. So they have like a weird connection. So like Lauren will like text me and she'll be like, Harley was up all night, and I'm like, so is Luke.
So weird. It's almost like they contact each other and like, what are we gonna do tonight? You're gonna get a fever? Me too. So this is ColourPop.
ColourPop.
Very bright colors.
Really bright colors.
Most of them look very bright, except for this one looks very dark.
Do you do face first or do you do eyes first?
If I'm gonna do eyeshadow, I try to do eyeshadow first. I'm looking for eye stuff. So because it's you, I'm assuming there's some sort of eyelid primer.
So I'm gonna try and use the colors that you would tend to gravitate towards. So I'm gonna start with this little guy here.
Easy ones, the cheater ones. Those are the ones that you could like mess them up and like
you wouldn't even notice. This is a really scratchy brush. To get you some new brushes.
It's really hard to dab around your eyes without your mouth open. Have you noticed that?
It's like me when I put on mascara and on camera I'm all like,
gold flash, vanish. Highlight?
Yeah!
Okay. If it wasn't highlight, I was hoping it was eyeshadow. Primer?
Yeah, that's face primer. Are you putting some on now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Am I supposed to?
No, you can't. I thought you were doing your eyes first.
I am. You're right.
Okay.
So I'm just making sure I've got everything for eyes. Some sort of liner, some sort of eyebrow thing, some sort of mascara.
So Lauren's lashes are super long and like with no mascara at all, they'll just like touch her brows.
I'm not going to use the curler because I'm just going to pinch my eyeball.
Have you never used one at all? Like ever?
Like I've tried and I pinch my eyeball. Or I bend them at like a 90-degree angle.
I'll do like a little.
Okay, if you pinch my eye, I'm going to freak out.
I'm not going to pinch your eye. Don't move away from me.
Like I feel like you're going to pinch right here.
I'm not going to pinch there. I just want to get the little lash there. See? Ta-da! Not pinching your face, see?
I know. I'm just
not pinching.
Sensitive.
Yeah, there you go, see?
Yeah.
So now choose whatever colors you want.
You know how I blend?
Is that how you blend?
Nope. Do you know how I blend?
How do you blend?
What's that? Because I don't have primer on. It's hard with primer because it sticks, which I'm assuming is the purpose of primer.
Doesn't it just come off?
No, some of it stays on. That's why you blend.
Oh my gosh. Makeup hacks with Lauren.
Yeah.
This is fun. I haven't done like a taupe eye in a long time. And you're going like full on orange.
I feel like it's gonna be a little bit wild with the hair, but we're gonna make it work.
Yeah, no, I love it.
I don't know how to blend it now since I can't use my finger.
Like a windshield wiper motion. I'm gonna go into the Clarins palette now. I'm gonna use that like light color on the lids. It's not as shiny as I thought it was. You said it was shiny. To ask people questions if they have any questions for you on the Instagram.
Excited to have you in the country next week
What?
when you come to do the closet.
Oh, yes. I thought you meant in the country of Canada. I was like, where am I going? Okay, I'm gonna go out and I'm going to reorganize, declutter, and like do a whole bunch of stuff to her closet, and I will put it up on RachhLoves Life. Maybe not next week, but maybe the week after. I'm gonna see if people have questions now. Let's see. Who's the oldest and what are your favorite memories as children? So I'm the oldest, and favorite memories, I used to do like obstacle courses and Lauren have to follow me around the yard. So I'd like go like under the swing and over the sprinkler, but I wouldn't go over the sprinkler. I would just make Lauren
just
go
directed.
over. Yeah, I would just direct the whole thing.
Yeah, like I was just like, yeah.
Rented a cottage
That
for
was
like a long time as kids. We were actually talking about that the other day. We wanted to rent a cottage for my parents, your family, my family. It was one of those things that you always look forward to. Every summer comes around and you're like, when is the cottage? When is the cottage? Someone wants to know, have you ever wanted to be a YouTuber?
Like I could do workout stuff, but I'm trying to think of things that I do better than other people. And I don't know, like I think that there's people on YouTube already that do the kind of exercise stuff that I would do. Maybe I could put like a rehab spin on it.
She's a chiropractor
I'm a
by
chiropractor by
trade. By
I think like it's fun when you and I do it together because you do all the planning and you tell me what to do.
I sound really bossy. Oh my gosh, this is a liquid liner. Like a nice dark brown. I do like
Oh,
it.
it's a good one, yeah.
If you had to choose one, what would be your favorite makeup product?
Mascara probably.
Yeah?
Either concealer or mascara.
Do you have a favorite like brand or product in particular?
I really do like the Arbonne mascara. I also like most of the CoverGirl mascaras.
Yep, CoverGirl mascaras are good. Lauren loves to do nails, so she does a lot of like nail art kind of things.
Yeah, it's a bad example right now because I don't actually have any nail polish on, but
Oh no, really?
I know.
Oh, that's very rare.
Very strange.
Yeah. So I'm using this angle brush. I'm gonna use it for the brows. I also used it for the outer corner, but I like wiped it off of my hand. This is a struggle. I'm trying to like brush this product into my brows. It does not like me.
This Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner. I don't do swoopy things.
Swoopy things?
I never go like do a swoop out.
Oh, a wing?
Yeah, I never do a wing. I'm afraid of a wing. I can't get them to match on both sides.
Oh, especially because we both have like slightly hooded lids.
Line, gap, line.
You don't have a lash curler.
Correct.
So I'm not gonna curl my lashes, and I'm not happy about it. What's the worst fight we ever had? Have we ever fought? Like, I don't know.
I like stupid kid stuff, like you took my blah blah.
Like usually if one of us is being like annoying, we just kind of let it slide. The other one just lets it slide because it's like you're probably going through some stuff or whatever.
We're very honest with each other.
I'm not gonna put on primer because it just lives in there.
It's just there for show.
Just there for show. I assume this brush is not for foundation.
No. It
Okay.
just does powders.
you
Foundation
just-
goes on with your hands.
The hand.
Like a savage.
Okay. I assume you do not use this much. I just realized that as I was like putting on my face. I'm like, I don't think Lauren uses this much. Oh, this is really pale. Which is hilarious because like Lauren naturally has like a darker skin tone than I do. She just walks out of the sun and she's like super bronze.
I know.
I'm even the playing field with bottled stuff. Are you both entirely different from each other or have any similarities? I am pretty bossy. I think that's like normal for an oldest sibling, and Lauren's really easygoing and like, sure, whatever, that works. I would say that Lauren is like very fitness and active, and I don't.
That's part of my lifestyle, right? Because I work in health industry. I like to be active. I feel better when I am. We're both homebodies. We both prefer to be at home, or at each other's homes. Like we'd rather have like pizza and stay in than
Go out to a fancy
go out
party.
to a fancy party.
Yeah, 100%.
Doing stuff.
Oh, doing stuff, that sounds terrible.
I had a primer. Remember when I had a primer? Was it this? No, that was a highlight.
I play around more with makeup. I won't change my hair at all. Lauren like changes her hair every couple of months and like plays around with color and stuff.
Every couple of months is bold. I am not made of money. I've had my hair every color except every like natural color except for dark black. I've never done black.
Yeah.
Pore minimizing balm. Is it too late to use that? I put the primer on.
No, you can put that on. Did you guys ever wear each other's clothes, shoes, accessories?
Oh yeah.
Oh, all the time. Like when I went away to school, my closet. Like I had to make sure that I took all my stuff that I really liked, because otherwise this one would steal it.
If you left it in the closet, it was fair game.
Shoes, not a problem, because I have giant feet and Lauren has little petite feet.
I have tiny feet.
Here's a good one. What's the most annoying thing that Rachel used to do as a child?
You send a lot of short text messages.
Ooh, true. I do that.
So it like lights up my phone. So my phone will buzz and it's just like zzz, zzz, zzz. Right now that's probably the most annoying thing that you do. And like we never talked about it before, so obviously it doesn't bother me that much. Okay, so under here, dab, 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 dab.
No, not dab, dab, dab. You do line. We want to do a line down, and then line middle, and then line that way.
You know?
Yeah, this way. Close enough.
Well, you're just gonna rub it in though, right? So
Use
not
this.
with your finger.
No, you can use this brush. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm dipping it into this bronzer. I'm sending you home with new stuff, though. You're getting a new bronzer.
She's a little dated.
Just a little dated, okay? Craziest things we did as kids? Oh, were we ever not crazy?
Yeah, I was gonna say. We were very boring children. Do you put concealer on your zits?
I do it after foundation. Just bunch of strokes everywhere. And again, I'm gonna dip in with the same brush. We're gonna go into the blush now. Who is our favorite Disney sidekick? Not main character, sidekick. I don't know.
I
what my
think
answer
it's
is.
safe to say the dragon from
Yes,
Mulan.
it is. It's the dragon from Mulan. Pox upon you, pox upon your cow.
You know what? We really missed an opportunity when we did the video about my delivery, labor and
Oh,
delivery.
yeah.
And we got all sad. We talked about how I was okay, and we really missed an opportunity for me to say, I live! Okay, so now I need some sort of powder, I feel.
Lauren's gonna learn how to bake. Basically what you're gonna do is you're going to put so much powder on this, and then you're gonna pat it under, and you're gonna leave it there to cook. And basically it's gonna like help everything to adhere longer to your skin. Yeah! She's using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake.
Wake up, Lukey, Auntie Lauren smashing.
How do the kiddos get along? Do they play together? They're like just starting to, I feel like.
They love each other.
Yes. Harley's still very little and she's on the cautious side. So she was a little like Julia when Julia was little, and like people need to like give her bubble space.
So Luke, when he plays, likes to be like right here.
Oh, he has no respect for the bubble.
He loves her so much. I feel like that he's like, he needs to be right
he
next to
needs
her,
her,
and
yeah.
she can't have him that close.
No.
It stresses her out.
You don't have a highlight. I'm trying to see if I can use one of these as a highlight. Like looking at this gold shade, I might be able to pull that off. Okay, this isn't my best work for a highlight, but like I'm applying it with my fingertip. And I basically just took this like gold shade and I mixed it with this light like Clarin shade. Who got into makeup first? That would be me.
Yeah.
Because I was just like, I'm older, so I just got into it more. I got into it earlier, but I also got into it more, I feel like.
Yes.
You were like fine with it, but I was like, ooh, let's do like a smoky black with like a burgundy lip and let's wear that to school in grade 11. What is your favorite thing about your sis and what does she do that annoys you? Okay, so we kind of talked about my annoying habits. Lauren's annoying habits and what she does best. So what she does best is she's always just like, we were actually talking about it with my sister-in-law Sarah's wedding. Like she just comes through whenever you need. So like Lauren finished work early and came over and helped apply lashes, and like Trish, my mother-in-law's dress wasn't fitting right, so she was like pinning it and just like helping with the kids and like all this stuff. Lauren just like goes all in and everyone's panicking. She's like, okay, so we're gonna do this and we're gonna do this, and that just like is your thing.
Thrive in chaos.
I think it's probably when you take forever to finish a sentence.
Yeah, that happens a lot.
I'm just like, oh my gosh, get to the point. What are you trying to say? You're not done yet.
Well, what do I do now? Oh, lips. Okay, lip liner. This will be interesting. Is that what this is?
Did you ever have crushes on each other's boyfriends? Nope.
That's a hard no.
I just realized there's no lip product in here.
So there's, yeah, no, I don't use any.
As you finish up your look, I'm going to stock you with some new things.
Oh, neat.
Let's update you with some bronzer. Here's the progression of Too Faced packaging, everyone. Are you ready? First, second, third. We got all the additions, everyone. And I need to get you a fresh blush. Would you wear highlight if I got you a highlight?
Sure.
Would you?
Well, yeah.
This one's by Annabelle. This is the Perfect Glow. So see how it's like just like a nice softness. It's not too blinding, you know?
I'm not sure about the coral with the red hair.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're giving me like Ariel vibes. I'm into it. This is by First Aid Beauty. It's a triple protection skin tint, SPF in it, but it also has a little bit of coverage, but not too much coverage. I feel like you just want like a little splash. You don't want like a ton of stuff on your face.
Right.
It says Bare Minerals Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara, but it's not clumpy. So you'll like this one. Now we need to do brushes. Almost forgot. You didn't spray yourself with this, did you?
No.
This is a setting spray. This is essential. Ready? Wave it in place. Wave. Give it a thumbs up for Lauren for like agreeing to come on and like wear 1,000 layers of makeup and foundation.
Yes.
Let me know in the comments below what Joshua should come on and film with me and what Lauren should come back and film with me. Go and check out some videos, which are, I'm gonna get it wrong. I'm gonna put them over my face. We're gonna put them right on top of my face, and then you can go and check out some other videos. But I hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome week. Thank you so much for all of your questions as well. And that's everything. I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah!
Bye.